mixed emotions so far. We've gotten some, but I didn't get the one that I was wanting for, but I got close enough. So I'm semi-happy. I'm going to go try one more place up here that I checked out earlier on. And then I'm going to go walkie boats, walkies. And then, a bit of traffic here, nice. Ooh, good. Right. So, the plan is go up here, take some photos. Hopefully it works out. Pack up the camera. Walk with this one all the way through. Go to the shops, grab some bottle of water, some jellies or something like that to munch on tonight. And then I'm going to hit a hot dog place that's close by that looks cheap. I was just thinking there's no point in me drinking. It's very expensive here, so I don't want to just drink for no reason. So I'll have energy tomorrow to do some stuff. But I'll be definitely drinking on Thursday and anyway, or Tuesday. So yeah, just enjoy the views. Hopefully we get some nice shots here. Yep. Guy looked like he was on a mission. In and out, moving through cars, blah. So I don't think I'm going to do much at the airport. I'll do some tomorrow. But I think that's this trip done. Over and done. I've copious amounts of photos and videos that I can edit for the next couple of weeks. And I've already a lot of stuff lined up for when I get home, so busy. Probably remember that from earlier today. We were just down this way. I love those street lamps, they just create something there, you know. It's a nice atmosphere. Now we're planning a few things already. But nothing official yet. Possibly a photo shoot trip away with models and a nice villa. Maybe 2, and then we have our big Asia trip coming up at the end of the year in September, and then between now and then we have to try to organise some money. So, but lots planned, lots in the pipework. I don't know about this motorhome thing. I have to get that sorted. Do I have to message a man today or tomorrow or something? I think I have to message a guy about going down to him to get the timing belt fixed. Might not be that good of a shot. I thought the church would have been lit up. So the plan was from here, shooting down. Because yeah, you probably can't see it, but there's a big church down there. It's not lit up. So we'll take a quick shot and see what we can get. But we're basically done, except for a little walk around the town. I like this place to put something here. Right, let's check it out. It's a bit windy. Somewhere starting to flare up, so perfect time to call it a night. Oh, that's pretty good. I'll be sitting outside in this weather. Night shop. This is what saved us last night, so let's go in here and get some stuff. What door? I don't even want that now. This place was hopping last night. It's very feels like high-end, classy places around here. Always. You know, I'm not even really feeling for that hot dog. €10? Couldn't have been €10. I love these kind of squares. Lovely lights. I think we're going to